Balinese friend JJ just dropped off some kulak.
Look at that.
Is palm sugar, coconut milk, cassava, and banana. Let's give it a try.
Look at that.
Slimy because the cassava. Sweet, but the cassava is very much like a potato. Slimy. With a slight earthiness and a hint of the coconut. I like it. It's kulak, K-U-L-E-K.